I'm David. I'm a senior at Bending Oaks High School. The thing I like most about Bending Oaks, the teachers are cool. It's nice to be personally invested in all of them, I guess, and they all really care because with like 30 students, it's a lot easier to care about all of them. So that's neat. It's also really relaxed. Class is more of a discussion than here's work, do it. The weirdest thing for me was definitely calling teachers by their first names. That just was completely foreign to me. Bending Oaks has really changed me a lot. I really was a quiet person before. I mean, not that I'm loud, I don't think, but I talk a lot more, for better or for worse. I talk with people a lot more, and I never really had close friends, so that's nice, hanging out with friends. The dual credit program is different from the way that I had envisioned it. I've basically been going through school and teachers have set college up as basically what public school always was, with a teacher who gives you work and lectures. But it's a lot more like Bending Oaks than I had really expected. Class is a lot more of a discussion. I mean, it's Bending Oaks with a lot of homework in reality, which was something I really wasn't expecting. The thing I would change is I probably would have come here sooner. I came very close to the end of of the first semester of my junior year, and if I could change anything, I would have found this school in 8th grade. My plans after Bending Oaks, I'm probably gonna get my college basics done at Richland for financial reasons, really. And I'll probably go on to a university after that, and then graduate school, probably. I would probably want to have a position on the Senate Committee on Military Acquisitions, I think is what it's called. It's senators who basically choose what the military buys, because personally I have a lot of criticism for how much money we're spending on the military. Last year it was almost $825 billion, so I guess the best way to really handle that is to have a say in some of it. I would sum up Bending Oaks in one word as homely, really.